In other breaking inputs, and this is with respect to the significance, the absolute importance of wearing masks when you step out. But this is a brazen statement now that's coming from the Madhya Pradesh State Home Minister here, Narottam Mishra, saying that he does not need to wear a mask, never wears a mask. Further adding, that he never needs to wear a mask, and this is the arrogance of which with what we are talking about right now. Remember, this is at a time when COVID-19 positive cases continue to climb, when there are over 1 lakh COVID cases in the state, in his state of Madhya Pradesh.
किसी कार्यक्रम में नहीं पहनता मैं, इसमें क्या होता है?
क्यों नहीं? विशेष कारण
नहीं पहनता नहीं हूँ मैं।
You heard the minister there, but it's important to note here that the bare minimum that we can do, not just to keep ourselves safe, but to keep everyone else around us safe as well, is to wear the mask. This isn't coming in as any SOP. This is coming in as per what the WHO has stated internationally across to all countries as well, that the safest bet here to keep yourself away from the virus is to wear the mask. We have with us our correspondent Govind getting us further inputs here. Govind, this is a terrible message there coming in from the State Home Minister in a state of Madhya Pradesh, which holds a percentage of the bulk of the cases of the country here. Inexplicable arrogance of not wanting to wear the mask.
Yeah, absolutely. Today, Narottam Mishra, the Home Minister of Madhya Pradesh, was on the visit of Indore. Then one of the journalists confronted him by asking the question that आप मंत्री जी मास्क नहीं पहने हुए हैं. Then he replied that मैं मास्क नहीं पहनता किसी भी प्रोग्राम में, से क्या होता है? So if the Home Minister of some state is just setting out such kind of example, what we can expect to the common person? Is it like that? क्या जो गृह मंत्री हैं वो प्रधानमंत्री से बड़े हो गए हैं? क्या जो गृह मंत्री हैं वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जज से बड़े हो गए हैं? उनके लिए नियम क्या अलग से हैं? आम आदमी के लिए नियम अलग से हैं? So that is quite shocking and surprising one. If some home minister of a state is just setting out such a hilarious example in which he is stating clearly, छाती ठोक कर बोल रहे हैं जैसे कि मैं मास्क नहीं पहनता हूं, जो चाहो वो आप कर सकते हैं. It's like that. तो सबसे बड़ा सवाल यही है कि जहां पूरी दुनिया महामारी से लड़ रही है, ऐसे में मध्य प्रदेश के होम मिनिस्टर इतनी और हिलेरियस रिप्लाई करते हैं कि मैं मास्क नहीं पहनता हूं. अब जब गृह मंत्री इस तरह की बात कर रहे हैं तो आम जनता से अब आप क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं?
Yes, that's right, Govind. As we said at the start of this, that this is a terrible message for someone sitting in a very important chair of the State Home Minister to be speaking in this manner.